I'm Courtney Neighbors, owner and operator of Miss Cookie's Custom Decorated Cookies. Miss Cookies is an in-home bakery. I chose to work with Legendary Creative after seeing Daniel's beautiful work posted online. The thing that I like most about working with Legendary Creative was the ease of the entire process. Daniel laid everything out clearly from start to finish. There was never any guesswork. I also think he might have Jedi mind tricks because there were times I didn't know what I wanted and he was able to take my ridiculous rambling and turn it into something beautiful. The 3 words I'd use to describe Legendary Creative are easy, cost-effective, and satisfaction. Daniel is incredibly easy to work with. Everything flowed so quickly and easily. I know he could have charged me more for what he did. Satisfaction was 100%. I couldn't be more happy with the end result. I would absolutely recommend Legendary Creative to all business owners.